The National Weather Service in Omaha has issued a tornado warning for southeastern Saunders County and east-central Nebraska until 9:15 p.m. At 8:50 p.m., National Weather Service meteorologists detected a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado. This dangerous storm was located 7 miles northwest of Ashland, or 22 miles northeast of Lincoln, and moving northeast at 15 miles per hour. People in Memphis, take cover now. Locations impacted include Memphis and Memphis State Recreation Area. Take cover now. Move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If in a mobile home, a vehicle, or outdoors, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. Tornadoes are difficult to see and confirm at night. Take cover now. Repeating. A tornado warning has been issued until 9:15 p.m. for the following counties: Saunders County in east-central Nebraska,